What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys the full details of my skincare routine, and we're just going to start off with my makeup remover wipes. These are just the Walmart version of the Simple Sensitive Skin Makeup Remover Wipes, and I'm really picky when it comes to my wipes because a lot of wipes make my skin break out, especially the Neutrogena wipes. I don't know why. So I always opt for something that says it is safe for sensitive skin, especially so I can apply it around my eye area to get rid of mascara. Now, just a disclaimer in this video, please ignore the chip paint in the back of me. I know it looks really ratchet and ghetto, but I'm working on it, so please spare my life in the comment section, okay? So now you'll see me go in and wash my hands with the Dr. Bronner's Cast Style Soap. And now I'm choosing between my two favorite cleansers, and today I opted out for the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser, and you'll see me use my Eco Tools brush. I use about a dime size amount of this product and just work it into my skin. What I love about this cleanser is that it's safe for sensitive skin, so I'm able to put it and use it around my eye area without my eyes burning or being irritated in any kind of way, and it's non-drying and super moisturizing. Now you'll see me going in with my brush for more of that deep, clean feeling to get any makeup and extra product out of my skin. And now I'm patting my face dry. I recommend you use a paper towel, but I was all out of paper towels, so I had no choice but to go in and use a fresh face slash body towel instead. And then after this, I just like to go in and tone. The toner that I use is the Thayers Witch Hazel toner, but I use the unscented formula of this product because my skin hates scent. I have tried the rose and the lavender version of this product, however, my skin was still breaking out pretty bad. So after I tone, I just kind of let that dry for a second, and I go on with my serum. This product is relatively new to my skincare routine. I think I've had it for about 3 weeks, and I just purchased the sample size, but it is an 8% glycolic acid AHA gel. And so far, I love this product because it's definitely been helping even out my skin tone. However, most importantly, it's been helping prevent whiteheads. I do have a habit of getting whiteheads on my cheek area because I sleep in my face, on my face, so I have to make sure that I'm changing my pillowcases frequently, but also on top of that, this serum has been helping, and it also helps me better absorb my moisturizer. So right after this, I go in with my moisturizer, and I use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Now, what I love about this moisturizer is that it is safe for sensitive dry skin, which I do have really dry skin. And this product is really thick, however, it soaks into my skin amazingly. And so it makes me feel buttery smooth. I just love it. So yeah, that pretty much sums up my skincare routine for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.